I'm going to show you how to do the slip slip knit or SSK stitch. When you get to the part in your pattern where it says SSK, all that means is slip slip knit. So the important thing to keep in mind here is you're always going to slip knitwise when it calls for an SSK. So this stitch over here on your left-hand needle, you're going to slip it as if to knit. So you go in as if to knit, but instead of working that stitch, you're just going to slip it onto the right-hand needle, slip the second stitch as if to knit. Now you have 2 stitches here on your right-hand needle that have not been worked. So you move your left-hand needle into those first 2 stitches, and then you knit them together. And now you've completed a slip slip knit. So let me show you a couple more times. So you're going to slip, slip into those first 2 slipped stitches and knit. Slip, slip into those first 2 stitches and knit. And that's really it.